Hey there, so today you're at Lida Knits Crochet's YouTube. So yeah, today we're talking about 8 cute amigurumi plant patterns you should crochet. And they're all free. They're free crochet patterns and they're all written in US and everything will be linked below. So if you see something you like, go to it immediately. So let's get on to it. So the first one is a barrel cactus. The most thing that I like about it is that you can actually customize the plant pot and the tiny flowers. This pattern is by NUNU Crochet, and yeah, I thought it was cute and tiny and I would like it. The second one is actually 3 tiny patterns combined. An aloe vera, a succulent, and a snake plant. This is by Yarnspirations. Yarnspirations has great patterns at all, like everything's great. So the third one is a succulent. This looks very professional. It's from Yarnandchai. It actually looks like a real one, and yeah, it looks very nice, especially with a pot around it. The fourth one is a mini plant hanger. I thought this was a cute pattern for a keychain, or I don't know, maybe to hang in your car, like on the mirror. And this is made by Hands of Zeal. The fifth one is a crocus flower. I saw this and it looks incredibly cute, and yeah, so I wanted to put this in this list. It's made by Always Free Amigurumi, and like the first one, it's also very customizable. You can customize the leaves again, the flower, the mouth, you know. The sixth one is also a cactus. It has a pot. It has eyes on the pot right now, but you can put the eyes on the cactus if you want the flower, or I don't know, the cactus to become a living thing. It's made by Amenagerieofstitches, and yeah, it gives some Mexican vibes. It's good. And as the seventh pattern, we have Bluebell flowers. I thought they looked very pretty, and I also saw people using this type of flowers to make garlands, so maybe we can multi-use this pattern. This is made by Moara Crochet, and yeah, I think you can do a lot of nice stuff with this. And last but not least, the Lily of the Valley. I thought this was cute. It looks tiny. It's probably something nice for like a brush or something, like you can put on your clothes. It's made by Delilah Crochet, and yeah, I would love to see whatever you guys make out of these patterns, and love to see what you think of these, if you even crocheted them. I checked all of them to see if they were actually written in US terms, but I haven't tried any of them myself. But this was the first step to get myself to crochet flowers, so I hope this will make me actually crochet flowers. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you want to see an overview again, I'll link my blog post where all of these 8 are linked as well, with some more explanations. And yeah, subscribe if you like this type of content, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!